My name is M. Elon. I'm one of the lawyers representing His Excellency Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje in this petition.
Could you tell us what happened today?
Well, like any other day, the petitioners were supposed to bring in their witnesses for continuation of hearing. They brought the first witness who testified and was cross-examined. The second witness they attempted to bring was not on the list of witnesses. And as you are well aware, this Honorable Court has given its ruling, in fact twice, that if your name is not on the list, there is no way you can testify. So, of course, they themselves, when they, well, I should say, realized that, withdrew the witness. What we expected from them was to call the next witness, but they didn't. They asked for a stand down till afternoon. So that's why we are wondering. But at the end of the day, the matter was adjourned to Saturday.
Okay, as for respondents, how would you react to the adjournment to Saturday?
Well, you know, the reason why the matter has been adjourned to Saturday is that tomorrow the appeal, interlocutory appeal, which they filed, is coming up in Kaduna. And all councils on both sides agreed that tomorrow should be an off day so that we can all go to Kaduna and hear the appeal. But as for today, we expected them to bring not less than 10 witnesses, but unfortunately you can see that after the second witness who was not allowed to testify, they decided to ask for a stand-up.
We would like to know the details on the application, the appeal against it.
Well, it's based on the motion they brought. They wanted to add 8 names of witnesses who are not on the list, even though the positions are in the actual petition itself. The court ruled that they cannot add, because addition means amendment, and you cannot amend an election petition after 21 days. There are so many authorities to that. Recent one is Uhuru versus Muhammad Buhari. So that was what the court tribunal relied on, and it was dismissed.
So far, taking a couple of days,
yes.
How would you describe the trial so far?
Well, so far so good for us, as far as I'm concerned. So far so good.
Okay, how